Hi guys, got a beautiful weather today, 6 degrees even though it's winter, and I've got 45 minutes of free time because my daughter is attending the kids university. So taking into account I got so much free time, we'll do some unboxing, and I've got not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 packages from China. So mega unboxing today. Very interesting stuff, larger than usual, so keep on watching. Let's start with the smallest one. Country of origin Tonga. Description of contents: rings. See. Oh fuck. Magnetic ferrofluid. Unfortunately, the glass vial in which it was inside is all cracked. So it looks like the postman was playing baseball with a package again. Not necessarily here in Poland, but someplace along the way. Okay. Second package. So as you can see, this is another batch of zipper repair pulls. So I'll keep these in the car, so to always have a couple handy. Third package, building blocks. All those Chinese like to lie on the declarations. These are not building blocks, but magnetic putty, which we'll be testing on the induction oven later on. Blue. They broke the mold with this one. Nice. Up. Something fell out and it's an eye. Okay, so they include 2 pairs of eyes to make a little magnetic putty monster. Strong neodymium magnet. We're gonna have a lot of fun today, and there's even more eyes. There's one fell out there. Up. Holds. And here's some fun you can have with it. Okay. Doesn't smell, so that's good. Package number 4, and we're going for the larger ones. Makeup brush. I suspect this is the hair coloring gel. It was supposed to be white this time. Yep, exactly. If you haven't seen my earlier movies, I highly recommend it because this is some great stuff. Although, as you can see, I don't have temporarily hair right now. Although, maybe my son will agree to be the tester. Sealed off, but it's pure white this time. Mofayang hair coloring material. Okay. And now for the last and most exciting package. Quite heavy. It's a telescope. Okay. Here we go. The best part about this, it's not a sighting scope, but you can attach it to the cell phone. Okay. Seems to be quite robust and heavy. So we've got this piece to join the scope to the cell phone, so you can clip it on. And as a matter of fact, I do have a phone handy. I have to get it out of this case. Oh, come on. It's been cold and the case became a bit stiff. Okay. And you clip it on here. It's in the center, it's in the center. And now for the scope itself. Of the pictures, it didn't seem it's gonna be this large. Wow. Okay, so we've got a cover here, a real solid glass lens. It's thought that for this price it's gonna be something plastic, but this is really some cool stuff. 35 times 50 millimeters, 1,200 meters to 9,600 meters. Okay, so there's quite a bit of vignetting, but the zoom is quite good. So I'll make a separate movie with a detailed review. I'll add some actual footage, but the image is circular, so we'll need quite some cropping, and of course that will lead to some loss of resolution, but still, for bird watching and other animals, this is a great toy. Just a sample clip of a view from the scope. So as you can see, there's just a small circle in the center, but the zoom's quite good. So as you have seen the clip, you shouldn't rather expect images like these, but rather like this. So you'll see some more detailed reviews for each of these items, because we've got some really great stuff this time. So take care, be sure to subscribe, share, and wait for new movies.